Hi, so FiFine was nice enough to send me a microphone. Apparently the audio and obviously the lighting hasn't been the best in some of my videos, so they gave me something to try out, to test out different audio. Right now I'm using my Canon 80D with a Rode mic, which is not a cheap microphone. However, I wanted to show you what they sent me, which will actually help me improve when I'm using other cameras, or it should provide a better audio possibly than my more expensive Rode mic. I'm going to test it. And I won't know until after I take a look at the video. So this is the unboxing. This comes with a lot of stuff. I was surprised. I kind of already took a sneak peek of it. The name, so that's the one thing that kind of got me, is it says FiFine. Like, I don't know if you can see that very well. So it's like FiFine, but they pronounce it fine, like it's in two words, like two syllables, which is kind of cool. So as you can see from it, it has a lot of different stuff. It's well packaged, which I like. It comes with a little, like, the company website and stuff like that. Then it comes in a bag, which is always handy because when you have a lot of stuff, like I do, I have a lot of different equipment from GoPro, stuff like that. This will definitely help with that as well. I'm recovering from a cold, so apologize for that in advance. Oh wow, so it actually comes with the piece to go around your neck. Oh, nice. Okay, so what it comes with is a lot of different stuff. It looks like it comes with several different microphones. Okay, this is going to be interesting. So I'm going to have to look at how I'm supposed to connect all of this, but it looks like it comes with several microphones. This is actually really well priced as well. It's only, I want to say it was around $30. It's really inexpensive, but you're getting like a lot of stuff. Like, there's still more. Oh, geez. So it's coming with like so you have an adapter to where you have your two different microphones. Then you have what looks like another microphone cover, like an additional microphone cover. Then you have the audio jack, like a separate audio jack if you just want a single without a splitter to go to your device, like into your camera, and then to the microphone. Then you have a really long microphone extender, and then, like I said, you have this. So you're getting a lot of different things. Like on websites, sometimes these are like $5, $10 by themselves, which is crazy. So, but you're getting what looks like two different microphones. So I'm gonna try this out. Bear with me, and I'll be right back. And I'm gonna use a this 80D camera, but I'm gonna use a different camera real quick just to show you what my setup is. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so if you can see myself in the camera lens, this is the camera that I was just using for the initial intro. I'm using this expensive Rode mic and on top of the camera. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hook up the other microphone and all that, and give me 1 second and I'll set all that up. Alright guys, so this is the audio from the microphone from the FiFine. I listened to the audio. I ran into some issues and it's kind of interesting. So you have to use the 3-pin to 4-pin adapter when plugging it into your camera. But you also have to make sure that it's plugged all the way in, and I had to kind of move mine around a little bit to get it to get a strong connection, and then now you can hear the audio on it. I think the audio sounds great. It sounds a lot better even than my high-end microphone, but obviously at the same time it's right against my chest as opposed to in the distance. So I'm gonna kind of test that out as well. You guys can listen to the audio difference. I'm gonna hang this up here above the camera, just above it, and I'm gonna talk at my normal voice. So if you're if you're looking for a cheaper alternative that has really good quality audio, this is definitely a good way to go. It allows you to have it close to you, so if you're interviewing somebody, you're talking to someone or doing kind of a blog, you can do that very easily. It's kind of discreet, as you saw, but what do you think? What do you think of the audio? I'm going to go ahead and plug in the other microphone and we'll test out the audio on that one now. Alright guys, what do you think of the headset? What do you think of the quality, the sound? Obviously I have this dangling from the camera. I didn't use the long extension cable that it does provide you. I just want to do a kind of a quick review. The extension does work. I didn't want to try to confuse it too much and do multiple microphones at the same time. But what do you think? I think this will definitely be a good improvement to my YouTube channel. I'm most likely going to use this one quite a bit as opposed to the built-in microphone in the camera. I'm definitely going to start using my 80D camera more often. It's just my wife likes to use the tripod lighting up to do her makeup and that for her blogging and stuff like that, or her Instagram. But again, what do you think of the audio? Check out the beginning of this video where you had the Rode mic, and then here in a second, this is the sound of just the built-in camera microphone. So that way you can hear the audio difference at my same distance. And then this is the Rode mic that I would typically use. This is the Rode mic that I would typically use when I'm sitting on the couch or something like that. I need to start using this more often when I do my unboxings. So my review, it's definitely worth it. It is definitely worth the value. If you're starting off YouTubing or blogging or even Twitch streaming or some sort of like video streaming, that way you can have like a microphone that's closer to you to pick up your audio, and that way it's not muffled by the distance or anything like that. If you can't afford a high-end, really expensive mic, like my Rode mic's not even on the expensive side. They have ones that are like hundreds of dollars with huge stands and tripods and other craziness. I'm not at that level. I'm not necessarily trying to be at that level. But this is my review. Hopefully you like it. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And I'll put a link to the product in the video description. Thanks for watching. Take care. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever video YouTube recommends to you. And remember, this microphone can be connected to anything. You can connect it to your iPhone using an adapter cable, your Android phone, anything that has an audio jack. You can plug it into it. And what's cool about it is it's not just it's both 4 and 3. So you can plug it in to an audio jack or an actual smaller 3-prong jack. So again, thanks for watching. Take care.